Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I designed those stickers that you seen in my thumbnail, please stay tuned and I will show you. I already designed the stickers, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to my projects up here because I already started on working with them. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this one right here. And I'm going to just customize it. Okay, here they are. So I already lined them up and everything, and I already sized them. And so I can be able to fit 6 on the page. Okay, so that's the reason why I did it like this, so I can be able to fit 6 on the page. Let me just show you now before I show you how I did it and how I came up with this. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look when I make it. Okay, see there it is, 6 on this page. So I tried to make them small enough to have 6. So as you can see, I'm gonna make it a little bigger so you can just see the images of the ladies. So those are the ones that I did. So let me just show you how to do one. I'm gonna do one of them right now for you. Okay, so what I did was, I'm gonna make it smaller. I'm gonna put it right over here. So what I did was I went up to go to upload, and my recently upload images are already here. But if I didn't have it here, I just go up to upload and then I go into my files. Okay, but I already have it, so it's down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick her. Then I'm going to go ahead and push insert image. Of course, she's gonna come out huge. So I'm gonna go ahead and make her smaller by unlocking and just bringing her up. And I have more videos to show you how to upload images, how to make sure the image is SVG file or PNG file, and you can all that stuff, the background. I have videos that show you that. So if you want to learn more about that, go to my other videos. I can link it below, or just check out my YouTube page, because right now this is already fixed. But sometimes you might have images that you get off the web and you need to make sure the background is you know, there's no background to the image. So I can show you how to do, I have a video to show you how to make those images come out like this. Okay, so with these, let me check and see what size I made this one. Before I make the size, I'm going to go ahead and get the other image. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and upload. Then on her, I use the gold digger. So I'm going to go ahead and push insert. And then I'm going to go ahead and unlock it, make it smaller. And like I said, I got these files from Etsy, these SVGs from Etsy. And the words also from Etsy. So go ahead and make it the width and length you want it to be. And I like it like that. Make sure it's centered. Okay, I like it like that. And now what I need to do is go ahead and flatten her so I can be able to cut and print it. Okay, so I basically flatten it right here at the bottom. Sorry, right here it's flattened. I just flattened it, so now it's attached. Okay. For stickers, you need to make sure you do the print and cut. You're not doing the vinyl, you're doing print and cut. And for print and cut, you have to flatten your image and also make it smaller, because Cricut only goes up to size 9.0 by 6.75 for print and cut. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna take this, look at this one and see what size this one is, which is 1.9. 1.9, I'm gonna say 1.9 by 3.2. So I'm gonna go ahead and go up here to size. I'm sorry, I'm gonna click on her. Then I'm gonna go up to size, put 1.9. 1.9 then it's by 3.2. And ladies, that's it. Try to show you this real quick. After I flattened her, I went on ahead and duplicated her. So I went up here to the top and duplicate. So and I did the same thing for the other girls. I duplicate them after I figure out what size I want it to be. Okay, so those are the ladies. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off because I don't want these. So I already have her. And I'm going to go ahead and push make it. So now these are stickers. So we do not have to mirror these because these are stickers. So let's go ahead and push continue. And make sure my printer is on. The paper I bought the paper from Hobby Lobby, and it's called Paper Studio printable sticker paper, 12 of them, 8x5 by 11s, okay? That's where I got that from. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put it in my printer. It says send to printer, so I have to basically hook my printer up, hook my computer up to my printer because it's not Bluetooth. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that I hooked up my printer, it's telling me to send it to printer. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the paper in here, and my paper goes this way. So it depends on what kind of printer you have. Make sure you have the right sides going in, okay? I push it in there, then I go ahead and push send to printer. And it's up to you if you want the bleed on or bleed off. On this one, I do want to have the white setting, the white offset. So I'm gonna do one with the bleed on and one with the bleed off so I can show you how it looks, okay? So this one I'm gonna have the bleed off. Now I'm going to go ahead and print it. Let me make sure I got the right printer. Okay, and like I said, the printer I use is just the HP 2634. Okay, so after that prints out, I'll go ahead and stay on. It really won't be too long. So I just turned on my Cricut so I can be able to cut this out. So there we have it. There's the girls on there. And then now I'm going to go ahead and go to find my Cricut. Put that on the mat. Because this is how you line it up for print and cut. You go ahead and line it up against the line. And the black lines which tell Cricut, the registration mark to tell Cricut where to cut. Okay, so make sure it's on there tight. Alrighty, let's go back to the computer, and now it says upload it, and I already have my settings on paper. That's what we're gonna cut today. We're gonna cut paper. So now I'm gonna go ahead and push this in here real quick so we can make sure it's in there tight. Then I push the arrow. And now it's going to cut it around. So I'm going to show you this is cut and print and how Cricut use that black mark so you can know where to cut it from. So make sure you have enough room for this mat to go all the way through from the back and the front. Okay. Just went around the whole box. And it's going to cut it out to make it stickers. When it's done cutting, I will show you the results. See how easy it is? It's so easy to do cut and print. I did cut and print on the book bag, and I did cut and print I just did a video about cut and print, so you can check that out also. What difference between sublimation and cut and print. So you can check that video out on my YouTube page. I can link that below. It's just so easy to do. Have and you can also, if you don't have a cutter, you can cut these with scissors. It's going to be kind of tedious to do it with scissors, but if you don't have it, you don't have it. So you can just cut it, and if you cut it with scissors, you can just make that shadow around it. Just, you know, give a little white background. You don't have an easy press or a silhouette. Use scissors. So when it gets done cutting, I'll be back to show you the results. Okay, I'm back, ladies, and this is the result from the cut and print. What happened was I basically cut it with paper. I put it on the paper settings, and this paper is kind of thick. So I cut it over again, and I did the card stock. So I know it would cut much prettier than this next time, but for the purpose of the video, because I don't have time to do it over, I'm just letting you know what my mistakes were, so you won't do the same mistakes. So yes, this is Cricut sticker paper. It's kind of thick, and it's better sticker paper out there that you can get. I have to cut it. I cut it twice because the first time it didn't work. So that what made it look like this. But they still stick. So I'm just gonna see how it looks. I didn't want to pull them off the page until I showed it to you how it looked. Because it looked like this because I had cut it twice, okay? That's why I look like that. So I just want to see how clean the sticker is after I lift it off the paper. So let's check it out right now. Okay, let's try her. See, it went, now, when I did it twice, it went through the paper all the way. So let me go ahead and take her out. So next time I know, I mean, that's the reason why it's not working, because I double printed it, I double cutted it, so that's why it's like this. But oh, it came out right. And I like this sticker because it is really thick. It is a thick sticker. Maybe you want thin stickers, it's up to you. But and I know the reason why it's not clean like this, because like I said, I cut it twice. So for a fresher cut, if you cut it one time, it'll be just fine. It's just the hair. Use my ugly fingernails. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow. Sorry. It's just the hair that's really that cutting part of the hair is really detailed, and it does that. So that's why. So it's a nice sticker. I'm gonna keep this. I like it. It just looked tacky on the paper because the way it was cut, but I like that. That's pretty. Let me get some paper to stick on it. It really sticks really good. It's a thick sticker. Let me set that right here. Yeah, that's pretty. It sticks really good. Look at that. It sticks really good. So I like it. But like I said, it just looked like this because I had to cut it more than once. Let's try another one. I'm very excited now. Like I said, it looks kind of messy because of the hair. See, like this hair is the afro hair. And that's why it looks messy on those. But look how this is the straight hair, and it's not messy looking because it just had to cut real deep into the hair. So this is like a smooth cut right here. So let me just show you how this one looks. Like I said. So here's this piece. I really like this. So what I'm gonna do is take the back, just grab the piece, and it's, oh, I love it because it's a thick sticker. Oh, this would be so cute for little girls, and for I have a daycare, so I have employers, and I can basically give them stickers and put like encouraging words on the shirts or something like that, and they can use them for something. So like I said, this is Cricut sticker paper. And then you can also, you don't have to take them all off right now. You can hold them and just keep them on the paper until you're ready to use them. And then when you're ready to use them, just take them on out and just use them and stick them where you want to stick them. This one stuck to the thing. Let me go ahead and take this off so you can see how this one looks. But yeah, it's very sturdy. Very sturdy. And like I said, this the hair. You need the offset to give it a clean cut. Okay. So yes, I love that. I like that. And now that I see that, next time I'm gonna just use the bleed. I will use the bleed because since this is not really a thick offset, if I use the bleed, it'll come all the way out the red to cover that white. But it doesn't matter. The shadow was cute too. But I wish the shadow would have really probably would have worked if I didn't have to cut it twice. But yes, I did. Like I said, I cut it twice. The first time I cut it, it was on paper. The paper. Then the next time I did it with cardstock, light cardstock. So next time when I cut it, I'm gonna do just the plain light cardstock, and it might cut better. I went ahead and cut it over again. I did the print and cut over just so I can see how it would look if I cut it once under the light cardstock feature on the Cricut. Okay, I'm back with the finished results. I cut it on light cardstock, my Cricut. And as you can see, the afro puffs and the afros are really detailed when it cuts. So when it cuts it real close in detail in each hair strand. And I also did that with the shoestrings also. So that's just how the cutter is. Next time I'm going to try to do it with Photoshop, because you can put like a what's it called, like an offset around the picture, and you don't have to worry about the great detail. But other than that, the hair, I mean, if it wasn't for the hair being so detailed, everything else was, the body parts were great. You know, everything else was because it was a straight line, but the hair was not straight. It's very detailed. And I did put my bleed on. Okay, so let's see how it looks after I pull it up off the sticker paper. Bend it a little bit and then catch it. Okay. Oh, I love it. It sticks really good. I I love it. Like I said, the only things wrong with the great detail. But if you have like a sticker with a circle or something like that, you don't have to worry about this detail because the hair, just how the hair is on these. It's just really cut. They cut all in between the little hair, the thin hair strands, okay, and the shoestring. So that's why it looks like that. But other than that, it's perfect. Look at that. Very strong, very strong. So really nice. I really like the way the stickers came out for my first try. Let's lift one more up. Let's see how the straight hair, the girl. I'm gonna bend it back a little bit so I can pull it off easier with the bleed on. And the bleed on is giving a little dark shadow, which is still fine. You can put the bleed on or bleed off. It doesn't matter because right here, if you had the bleed off, it'd be like a little white shadow right here. So this is perfect. Love it. So let's stick her right here. So there's my stickers, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you soon.